I mean, just whoop, pop right out. All right, 23 Nissan Rogue. They brought it in for an oil change. And as you can see, went to take off the drain plug, and with almost no force, the whole drain plug came out. There it is, the screw. I mean, just whoop, pop right out. So I'm guessing whoever put it last either torqued it too much or who knows. We got an aluminum replacement coming. I'm about to pop all these off, clean it up, and we'll put the aluminum one on. Hopefully fix the issue forever.
I might take offense if you tell me that you doubt it. This is what it is, yeah, I'm known to make it rowdy. Then I'm for the fit, and I drive a wide body. Who you know, but like this, nobody. Can't go slow, I gotta hit that body. I'm the top, but the top, I can't never take a break. Yeah, I'm hot, and you not, that's why all my records bang. Oh, it's been a long, hard road, gotta go home. Cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presence on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came, country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping.
All right, we got it clean. Got the new one here, putting the bolts.
Better take that knee and kiss my ring, cause I be royalty. Everywhere I go, my team, and they be hating. That's such a lame thing, yeah, y'all be lame team. I could never ever go outside like that. Yeah, my people got my back, and I know that that's a fact. So I won't worry about a thing, I'm gonna keep on burning tracks. Do you get what I mean? I got faith in my dream. Oh, it's been a long, hard road, gotta go home. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, and I know you love the way that I'm gon' keep on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Can't do flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presence on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came, country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me, rocking boots and white tee. Designer on my cup.
I'm gonna change the filter. We'll put some oil in it, check for leaks. Should be ready.